Hello, friends. Uh, this was perhaps a historical moment uh, in the history of Pakistan air defense that a long range surface to air missile system was inducted into the air defense system of Pakistan. Previously, there was no long range SAM system. It is called high MEDS. It means high to medium range surface to air missile system. It was because, like you can say, Turkish Air Force, Pakistan Air Force was called fighter centric Air Force because fighter aircraft were prioritized in procurements also. So this time, like the Turkish has bought the S-400 system, the Pakistan's strategic thinking has also changed, it seems, in that context, and we have bought a system that has a reported range of more than 100 kilometers. Previously, we had Spada, Italian origin Spada SAM system in the Air Force, and LY-80 medium range SAM, plus also FM-90 SAM in Army. So this enhances the you can say the SAM cover, and also the new challenges of cruise missiles and other ballistic missiles. So this is the perhaps the first system that is capable of targeting cruise missiles, smart munitions, and ballistic missiles also. So by this, it seems that it will be deployed on the important command and control systems. The fact that it is of Chinese origin doesn't make it, you can say, inferior, because Chinese defense industries has progressed a lot and produced its own fighter engines and own fighter aircraft designs and other weapons like the UAV, the you can say the very high performance UAV you are seeing in this video of a recent air show in China. So China is almost matching the other global powers in the quality and quantity of its weapons. Therefore, before that, this SAM that you see in this video, this is the Soviet SA-2 guideline missile system that was used extensively in the Soviet allies and friends. Here it is in being paraded. So it was extensively used in Vietnam War also, from 1965 to 1972, and almost it is said that US lost some 10,000 aircraft and helicopters in the Vietnam War. So many of them would be have fallen prey to this missile system. So Pakistan bought a copy of it, a Chinese copy of it, in early 1980s. It has it can cover the highest altitude fighter aircraft can fly, and it also had the range of 50 kilometers. So before this current HQ-9P, Pakistan had this missile system with the maximum range. But even in early 1980s, it was quite an obsolete system. So more of a threat than actual performance, because in Vietnam War, its you can say kill rate was less than 10%. So it seems that it also has 1950s electronics. So it will be difficult to maintain even today a system like that. So China has, as you can see in this issue, has introduced many more surface-to-air missile systems that are more advanced. They are vertical launch. That means that you can launch them in any directions. So, as China progresses in its manufacturing of weapons, Pakistan may have in few years also have the opportunity to procure their surface-to-air missiles with more range and more lethality and more accuracy in the future also. It is certainly in response to Indian procurement of S-400 the Russian system, but the delivery of S-400 has still not commenced till today, and it will also take some time to be trained on and deploy. So Pakistan, till that time, Pakistan has the opportunity to look for other options also, and this surface-to-air missile system adds another layer. Uh, Perhaps an important factor of it is that a SAM system can respond more quickly to the event like Operation Swift Retort, where you can launch the fighter, but the missile can be launched much faster, and you don't have to wait to response to the enemy dropping some smart munition over your territory. So, in that context, the Indian strategy of surgical strike can also be countered by longer range SAMs. And certainly, with the SAM, just like this has 100 plus kilometer, its radar can look inside the enemy territory also, and it can be a huge deterrence for any enemy aircraft of crossing the airspace of the adversary country. So therefore, the important use of this enhanced range SAM would be that it would deter strike from adversary by immediately responding to it. And as I said earlier, that Pakistan will have options in the future also to get even more longer range SAMs and more effective SAM system from China, as China, you can see, is rapidly advancing its weapon system, as its industry is supporting the R&D in military and also. So until next time, I will be back with another informative video. Please comment or ask any question in the comments if you like. So until next time, take care. Bye.